Hey guys, welcome to your asynchronous lesson in music class. We're going to go over the lemonade chant. Do you remember that? If you don't, that's okay because we're going to go over it together. Now, I'm going to sing and then you're going to sing after me. Okay? So, let's practice. I'm going to say lemonade, crunchy ice. Sip it once, sip it twice. And then we're going to say together, lemonade, crunchy ice, sip it once, sip it twice, turn around and touch the ground and freeze. You got that? Now, there are some rhythms that we learned. Quarter notes and eighth notes. Quarter notes are like a steady beat. Eighth notes go twice as fast. You get to choose whether you want to play this rhythm, which will mimic the rhythm of our voices and the lyrics, or you will get to choose this rhythm, one that's a little spicier. Okay? Let's try this rhythm first. And this is where we're going to put it. So, listen to this. Lemonade, crunchy ice, sip it once, sip it twice. Lemonade, crunchy ice, sip it once, sip it twice. Turn around and touch the ground and freeze. You got that? Now let's try the spicy one. It's gonna go lemonade, crunchy ice, sip it once, sip it twice. Lemonade, crunchy ice, sip it once, sip it twice. Turn around and touch the ground and freeze. You got that? Now, when we say lemonade, crunchy ice, sip it once, sip it twice, turn around and touch the ground and freeze, I want you, did you notice what I did? I kept a steady beat. You can keep a steady beat with your hands on the table like this, or maybe some pots or a drum that you have. It can be anything. It can be on the sofa, it can be on the floor, or if you have an instrument like, I don't know, let's say this. Oh, where'd you get that, Mr. M? So, if you have, it can be anything. It doesn't have to be an instrument. Your body's an instrument, okay? But I want you guys to do this. I want you to keep a steady beat when we say lemonade, crunchy ice, sip it once, sip it twice. Turn around and touch the ground and freeze. Okay, so let's try it all together. You get to choose the rhythm that you want to play, but you have to do a rhythm. Does that make sense? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lemonade, crunchy ice. Sip it once, sip it twice. Lemonade, crunchy ice, sip it once, sip it twice. Turn around and touch the ground and freeze. Does that make sense? Now, one last thing. There's going to be a part where you get to keep a steady beat. Now, there's one last part. There's going to be a part where we keep a steady beat, okay? Or you're going to play some rhythmic pattern, but I need you to keep a steady beat with whatever you play. And it's going to sound a little bit like this. Turn around and touch the ground and like this. You can play any rhythm, or it can be simple, like this. Or if you want to get fancy, you can do this. Okay, but I need you to keep a steady beat. It can be with your hands, on your lap, it can be anything, okay? Or Alright guys, so go to the video underneath it, and that's the music video you're gonna sing along and play rhythms along to, okay? And then I want you to click the video after that. All right, I'll see you in the game.